This week's tooltip will take you through a simple corner radius insert tool type. So similar to the ball nose, we go to the new tool type and inserts, and when you click on the corner radius insert, you get all the standard operations that is required to manufacture a corner radius insert. I have added an additional operation Enphase chip breaker just to show you that we can add Enphase or OD chip breaker operations or other operations that is required as per your drawing. All these operations are available as standard in the insert tool types. The blank, similar to the ball nose, when you open up the insert type, you get a standard rectangular blank, and based on your insert thickness, you can adjust the width, length, etc. as per the drawing. Now, the digitizing operations are also standard, and you can add whether it is your reference is the side, the hole, the V shape, or the square notch in the middle of the insert. And there are several other operations available in the insert type, and there will be another tooltip which will explain exactly what the insert digitizing operations do.